Today is Tuesday, so that means it is time for a tiny, tidy Tuesday. And today I'm going to be cleaning out the laundry cabinets above my washer and dryer, so stay tuned. Welcome back to Live, Laugh, Love with Jen. I love Tuesdays because I love getting so much motivation from the Tiny Tidy team. I want to thank Sunday Dawn as always for putting a Tiny Tidy playlist together. I will link her channel, The Helpful Home, along with today's Tiny Tidy playlist in my description box below. I am just going to take everything out of the cabinets in my laundry room, the ones above my washer and dryer, and I'm going to wipe everything down on the inside, put it back, declutter a couple of things, and I'm going to wash the outside as well if time permits. This is part of a challenge that I'm doing with my friend Danielle from Clean House Simple Mama. She does Tiny Tidies as well. We're doing a Clean House in 100 Days challenge. So I am working in my laundry room each and every day. So I kind of incorporated the two. I hope this video motivates you guys to do a Tiny Tidy today as well. And just doing something simple can make a big impact. So I hope that you guys enjoy. So today I'm going to be cleaning out these two cabinets in my laundry room. So I wanted to show you guys kind of a before. This is what this cabinet looks like. It's really not in bad shape, but I do want to take everything out and wipe it down, and there may be some things that I can declutter. And then let's check out the other cabinet. So over here, this one is above the dryer. Again, it has baskets. I need to go through the baskets. I need to clean the shelves. And I have this container of microfiber cloths, and I think I have a way that I want to roll them. So I'm going to try to do that so that they look just a little bit nicer. And then I will be done. So it's going to be tiny, but it's going to be a tidy. Clean the inside of my cabinets. I'm going to use the Mrs. Meyer's multi-surface spray in the mint scent along with a microfiber cloth. But first I'm going to remove everything from my first cabinet.
You said it was the last time, but you keep coming back to tell me sorry that you take back all the things you said just to hurt me. Our love just went cold, but I'm still burning. Our love just went cold. Why? I keep on making the same mistake. I always let you back in when I begin to get myself together again. You are back once more like everything's the same. I tried to build my walls up, but you're taking them down. It's tearing me apart, I can't pretend. Now I have to get over you again. You said it was the last time, but you keep coming back to show me sorry you have changed now. But it's the same old story. Our love just went cold, but I'm still burning. Our love just went cold. Why? I keep on making the same mistake. I always let you back in when I begin to get myself to to get over you again. Have to get over you. I keep on making.
And these are pieces of Mr. Clean Magic Eraser that I just cut up and I keep stored in here in case I have something I need to remove.
The same mistake. I always let you back in when I begin to get myself together again. You are back once more, like everything's the same. I tried to build my walls up, but you're taking them down. It's tearing me apart. I can't pretend. Now I have to get over you again. Have to get over you again.
If you are new to my channel, I just want to take a moment to introduce myself. My name is Jen. I am a former teacher, and in 2020, my heart was attacked by a virus and I went into heart failure. I am healing and I am thriving now, but I am still a heart warrior. I love to do all things homemaking here on my channel, along with a few other things added in here and there, and I would love it if you would become part of my YouTube family. It is completely free. All you have to do is click on that subscribe button, and I would love to connect with you. If you are new, let me know down in the comments. Introduce yourself. I love my YouTube family so much, and for my returning subscribers, I love you guys so much for your support along this journey, and know that you are appreciated.
Someone to save me, no, and don't come running to blame me. From miles away I can tell that something's off. The way you look and how you pause when you talk, I think you said enough. You said your love for me something brand new. You said this is something you would never do. Here we are in let me see who you are, who you really are, yeah. Don't need you here to say you're sorry, 'cause if you're gonna leave me, then just do it. Don't take it slow, don't be gentle, no, I just gotta know. If you're gonna leave me, then just do it.
So I have decided that I want to roll my microfiber cloths, and I have decided that I want to do this way. I kind of watched some TikTok videos to see exactly how I wanted to do it, but I want to take this triangle in a little over halfway, and then take this one, and then I'm going to take it and fold it the opposite direction so that I have what looks like an envelope here. Then I'm going to roll it up and then tuck it down in there. And that's how I want to store them in my basket.
Let's be honest for a second. Yeah, you'll be in.
So this kind does not want to roll like that. This is the Grove kind, and that's okay. I'm not going to stand here and continue to try to do it. So I'm just going to fold it over once and just roll it and put it in there.
Over your head, babe, 'cause there is no one other. other than me that can make you feel the way you feel when I hold you. I think I said enough. You said you love for me something brand new. You said this is something you would never do. Here we are in your car. Let me see who you are, who you really are. Yeah, don't need you here to say you're sorry. 'Cause if you're gonna leave me, then just do it. Don't take it slow, don't be gentle. No, I just gotta know if you're gonna.
So I decided while I was cleaning in here, I'm going to go ahead and clean the outside of the cabinets. I have some Murphy's oil diluted with water in a bucket, and I'm just going to clean it and dry it off.
Wanna leave me, then just do it. Just do it. Don't need you here to say you're sorry. 'Cause if you're gonna leave me, then just do it. Don't take it slow, don't be gentle. No, I just gotta know if you're gonna leave me, then just do it.
Okay, so this is what the cabinets look like after. This one still has some laundry stuff, some stuff for the steamer in it, and a lint roller. And then I have my Tide, and then I have a stain remover. I went ahead and my Caldrea detergent is in the donate pile because I do not use it. I have a container with light bulbs, and then I have a container with Mr. Clean Magic Erasers that I use for like the wall and scuffs and stuff like that. And then up at the top, I still have my decorative stuff. If I need to use that as storage, I can, but for now, I just think it's pretty, and I like to have pretty things to look at when I do my laundry. So that's what this looks like. Now over here to the second cabinet. This basket at the top and has things that we need to like hang pictures and that kind of stuff, tape measures, that kind of stuff inside the house. This one has extra plugins and timers that we use at Christmas. This is a candle that I'm on the fence about that I may let go of. I do like the smell of it. It's the Caldrea Sea Salt. It smells so good. So I just put it right here for now. This basket is actually empty. I had some things in there that I was thinking about donating, and I decided to donate them. This basket has a couple of candle holders with candles in it that I do sometimes pull out, so I decided to hang on to those. I have my dryer sheets here, and then here I have my microfiber cloths. So again, it still looks nice and pleasing to me. Not really 100% sold on that candle right there, so if I do decide to keep the candle, I will probably move it. So these are the items that I'm going to part with after my tiny tidy. This is a Live, Laugh, Love candle. I already have several of these, so I'm going to part with this one. This is a red candle. It's from Pier 1 when we used to have Pier 1. It smells really good, but it needs to go as well. I have this basket that used to house dryer sheets that I no longer use. I have this flower pot. I had some stuff down in it. I do not store anything in it anymore, so I'm going to let it go as well. Then I have these two candle holders. I got them at Marshall's. This one was $6.99. And then a smaller one. I bought them because I was going to change out some things in the living room, but I never got around to it, and I decided that it's just not really my taste. And I decided I love this Caldrea Sea Salt Scent Detergent. However, the washing machine that we have now self-dispenses detergent, and I just keep it filled with Tide. So I have not used this in a hot minute, and it smells so good, and I know that someone else could use it and that they would like it. I just want to thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I did manage to declutter some things, and I also managed to clean the outside of the cabinets, so I'm very happy with how much I accomplished in about 15 minutes. So I just want to thank you so much for watching and remind you to check out the playlist and Sunday's channel linked in my description box below. And if you would like to join me by cleaning your home for just a few minutes each day for 100 days, then let me know. You can let me know in the comments, or you can message me on Instagram at LiveLaughLoveWithJen. Just remember to take time to live, laugh, and love today. I'll see you guys in the next one. Love you. Bye.